In honor of our founder, Tex Earnhardt, we wanted to give back to the community and give to St. Mary's Food Bank. So we are donating 75,000 meals and 75,000 bottles of water.
Thank you so much, guys.
We decided to celebrate our 75th anniversary by giving back to the community. So today here at St. Mary's Food Bank, we are presenting a check that will feed 75,000 meals and 75,000 bottles of water to the families in need in honor of our 75th anniversary in business here in Arizona. Our founder and my grandfather, Tex Earnhardt, always believed in giving back to the community. That has given us so much as well. And to me and to the family, that is very special to us.
Donations like this are vital for us to keep going. We'll see more than 2,300 families today across our 3 main locations. They'll all go home with about $75 to $100 worth of food, and it's vital that companies like Earnhardt Auto Centers come to us with donations like this, and they've been huge for us. Since 2020, they've donated almost 1 million meals to Arizona's hungry, and we really appreciate all of the efforts. They're really taking Tex Earnhardt's he's always been somebody who's very interested in helping folks in Arizona, giving back to his community, and I think the Earnhardt family is doing him proud.
Well, we live and breathe the Valley of the Sun, and so it's been wonderful. This is a multi-generational business, and this means so much for us to be here.
So everyone put your hands together for Earnhardt. Love it. Donating $22,500. So thank you so much for that. Yes, thank you so much.
So today, in addition to the Earnhardt family and our organization giving to St. Mary's, dozens of us are donating our time to help pack food boxes for St. Mary's. Pretty cool, right?
They'll be helping us pack emergency food boxes today, and that's really important in the summertime. Our volunteer numbers really kind of decline in the summertime, but we still need to build 100,000 emergency food boxes a month to hand out to families. So Earnhardt Auto Centers will be out here, and they'll be putting in a little sweat equity as well.
But as part of our 75th anniversary here in 2026, we're doing a series of surprise donations to local charities. At Earnhardt, we like to say, shop local, support local, but we also like to support local. We like to support the communities that support us. So we're on a series of surprise givings. So far, just this year, we've done surprise donations to the Boys and Girls Club, to Make-A-Wish Arizona, to Arizona Humane Society, to the Arizona 100 Club, helping fallen first responders and public servants, and St. Mary's Food Bank. And we're not done yet. There's more coming, but it's a surprise, so I can't tell you about it. This is a noble way. We think it and do it every day. And that ain't no bull.